Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syahrul Azhar bin Sharifuddin. My metric number is S78708. So today, I am going to explain to you guys how to solve a system of linear equation using Cramer's rule step by step with my friends. So first, we are given a system of three linear equation, which is first, we got x plus 2y minus z equal to 4, and then 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 7, and lastly 3x plus y plus 2z equal to 5. So after that, the first step in Cramer's rule is to form the coefficient matrix by taking only the coefficient of x, y and z from each equation. So the determinant of D is written as like this: 1, 2, -2, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 1, 2. Then so determinant, we calculate value of determinant D. In this solution, we use first row because it is easier to calculate. So first, D equals to 1 multiples by determinant of -3, 4, 1 and 2 minus 2 the determinant of times the determinant of 2, 4, 3, 2, and lastly plus -1 the determinant of 2, -3, 3, 1. So we got like this. We write it like this so it's easier to calculate. So we calculate in the column first. We got -3 times 2 minus 4 times 1. We got -10, and then we multiply 2 times 2 minus 4 times 3. We got it the example of -8, and lastly 2 times 1 minus -3 times 3. We got 11. So after we calculate it, now we multiply it by the number of outside the column, which is 1 times -10, -2 times -8, and -1 times 11. We got -10 times plus 16 and minus 11. And after we calculate, the last example we got is -5. So how to do the next step? I pass to Iskandar.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Ali Iskandar bin Ruslan. Metric number S78710. I will explain the second part of the calculation. Okay. I will calculate D sub x, which is the determinant of the matrix obtained by replacing the x column with the constant terms. So the determinant of the matrix is 4, 2, -1, 7, -3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. Now, I will expand this determinant along the first row. Okay, first, I take 4 multiplied by the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix, which is -3, 4, 1 and 2. So this will give 4 multiplied by -6 minus 4, which equals 4 multiplied by -10. Next, I subtract 2 multiplied by the determinant of the matrix, which is 7, 4, 5 and 2. This will give -2 multiplied by 14 minus 20, which equals -2 multiplied by -6. Then, I add -1 multiplied by the determinant of the matrix, 7 minus -3, 5 and 1. So this will give -1 multiplied by 7 plus 15, which equals -22. Now, I combine all the terms, -40 plus 12 minus 22. This simplifies to -50. Therefore, the value of D sub x is -50. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azim bin Azman. My metric number is 78712, and today I will be explaining about how to find dy using the determinant method. So first, we are given the metric here: 1, 4, -1, 2, 7, 4, 3, 5, and 2. First, how to solve it, we will expand the determinant using the first row. As we can see here, 7, 4, 5, 2. So, equals to 7 times 2 minus 4 times 5. And we got 14 minus 20. That equals to negative 6. We do this to the metric 2432 right here, and 2735. We do the same like the first one, and after that we compute it by the main formula right here, which is dy equals to 1 times negative 6 minus 4 times negative 8 minus 1 times negative 11, and the answer is 37. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dama Maisara binti Yuzin, and my matrix number is S7865. So today I will be explaining my part, which is how to find determinant Z. So the number we have here is 1, 2, 4, 2, negative 3, 7, 3, 1, and 5. So before we start, we're going to choose the first line. So from the number for the first line, we have to add positive, negative, and positive. So we add positive in front of the number 1, and we have to cross multiply the number. So for example, we take negative 3 multiply by 5. So we will get negative 15, and 7 multiplied by 1, we will get 7. So the two number that we already multiply, we have to we have to minus with each other. So it will be 1 will be multiplied by negative 15 minus 7. So we will get negative 22. For the next number, we have negative 2. So the number inside the box, we cross multiply it. 2 multiplied by 5 and 7 multiplied by 3. We will get 10 minus 21. So the answer will be 22. For the next number, which is positive 4, 2 multiplied by 1 and negative 3 multiplied by 3, we will get 2 plus 9. So the answer will be 44. So we plus all the number and we will get 44, which is the determinant for the Z. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ni'am Zahazik bin Azman. Number metric is S78709. Okay, now for part A, I will find the value of X, Y, and Z using Cramer rule. From the previous part, the determinant of coefficient metric is D equals negative 5. The determinant for X is D sub X equal negative 15. So for X equal D sub X divided by D, which is negative 50 divided by negative 5. Therefore, X equal to 10. Next, the determinant for Y is D sub Y equal 37. So for Y equal 37 divided by negative 5. Therefore, Y equals 37 over 5. Finally, the determinant for Z is D sub Z equal 44. So for Z equal 44 divided by negative 5. And you get the answer Z is equal to negative 44 over 5. Hence the solution of the system is X equal to 10, Y equal to negative 37 over 5, and Z equal to negative 44 over 5. That's all from me.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afiq Iman bin Azizan, metric number S78711. We are given a point 2, -1 and 3 and a direction vector 4i minus j plus 2k. First, I rewrite the direction vector in a component form, which is when we want to do the parametric equation, we have to do this first. So sub the point and vector in the general equation. First, x equal to 2 plus 4t and y equal to -1 minus t and z equal to 3 plus 2t. After that, using this formula, I obtain the parametric equation, and to find another point on the line, I choose t equal to 1. So let t equal to 1, and by substituting this value into the equation, we can get another point on the line, which is x equal to 2 plus 4 times 1 y equal to -1 minus 1 and z equal to 3 plus 2 times 1, and it gives us the point, another point on the line, which is x, y and z equal to 6, -2 and 5. So the point on another line, the point on the line is 6, -2 and 5. So this is the parametric equation, and this is another point on the line.